Have you ever heard tonkatsu? Tonkatsu is tender, deep-fried pork cutlet in Japanese style. Today, we are going to show you how to cook juicy tonkatsu. Here are ingredients for 4 people: pork loin, flour, 2 eggs, and panko, which is breadcrumbs. First of all, let's cut grains. If you don't do this, pork loins get shrink when you fry it, so make sure you cut grains. Then pound pork loin. This makes pork loin tender. Generally, tonkatsu is served with shredded cabbage in Japan. Shredded cabbage is not that difficult if you use vegetable peeler like this. Next, let's stir egg. And add flour. Actually, flour was not enough at this time. Please keep adding flour till the egg gets gooey. Dip pork loin. Dip both surface and side. And put it on the panko's bed. Add panko on pork loin. Press pork loin from the top and make sure panko stuck together and covered pork loin. Before you fry it, make sure oil temperature is hot enough. You can sprinkle panko to make sure. Oh, sounds good. While frying this, please make sure you subscribe it. We are posting a couple of easy food recipes every week. My goal is to keep you hungry. See? It looks awesome golden brown. Put sauce on it. A1 sauce, ketchup, mayo, soy base, barbecue sauce works for it. Try and find your best combination. Thank you for watching the video today. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment as well. I'll see you in the next cook. Bye!